All right, welcome once again to another episode of Maths Phobia Series, where we're simplifying maths and make students understand that maths is a very simple subject, a very simple subject. All right, so we have something on the board. So we've been looking at matrices for quite some time now. We want to delve into equations, all right? So I want to begin by looking at simple equations. Now, follow me. We have, if it is given that 5x plus 1 equal plus 5 raised by x, 5 raised by x plus 1 plus 5 raised by x equal to 150, then what is the value of x? What is the value of x? So we want to find the value of x that will fit into this equation. Okay, now, the first thing we are going to do in solving any mathematical problem, try and understand what the question is talking about. So we have that 5 raised to our x plus 1 plus 5x, everything gives us what? 150. What do we do? First thing, okay, we can't touch this. We can't touch it. There's nothing we can do to 5 raised to our x. But there's something we can do to 5 raised by x plus 1. If you remember the law of indices, that states that if I have a number, let's say I have x raised to the power of b plus c, it can be rewritten as x raised to the power of b according to multiplication law times x raised to the power of c. So as long as we have the same base, we can add the powers. All right, so we apply that same principle here. Okay, we have x raised to the power of b plus c equal to x raised to the power of b plus x raised to the power of c. Okay, so what do we do from here? Watch. What we do from here, we apply the same thing here, so that 5 raised to the power of x plus 1 will be equal. Follow the same process, the same step. 5 raised to the power of x times 5 raised to the power of 1. So bring it here. We have 5 raised to the power of x times 5 raised to the power of 1 plus 5 raised to the power of x equals 150. So what do we do from here? We have 5 raised to the power of x. We have another 5 raised to the power of x. We can say, because there's nothing we can do further from here, but there's something special we can do. We can say, let that 5 raised to x be equal to b. We want to make it something linear, something solvable, something we can simplify. So we have to replace it with a variable, all right, that has no power, so that it will be easy for us. So we have, if I replace 5 raised by x with b, I'm going to have b times 5 raised to the power of 1 plus b equals to 150. So I have 5 raised to the power of 1 times b. I have 5b plus b equals 150. 5b plus b, that should give us 6b equals 150. So divide both sides by 6. What am I going to have? 6 can take off 6. 6 divided 6. 6 can go in 150. All right, 6 1. 6 in 15. That is 2. 12. Remainder 3. And then 6 in 30 will give us 5. So that b is equal to 25. But we don't stop here. Why didn't we stop here? Our question says we should find x. Look at the question. Then the value of x is equal to what? So our question did not say we should find b. It specifically asked us to find what? X. So we have to return b to what it was. So coming back here, we said let b 5 raised to the power of x equal to b. So that means I'm going to have 5 raised to the power of x, okay, equal to, what is b that we got now? 25. So we have expressed b now back in terms of what? X. So we have 5 raised by x. We can express 25, all right, as a factor of 5. Okay, so we have 5 times 5. Okay, and that means 5 raised to the power of x equals to what? 5 raised to the power of 2. They have the same base. So we have 5 into 5, and our x is equal to what? 2. And that leaves us with option D as the correct answer. So see you in the next class. Look more deeply into equations, mostly quadratic equations, because these are areas where students find difficult to solve. And also, we also look at simultaneous equations and also their applications, also questions that we need to apply quadratic equations to solve. See you in the next class. Please like and share this video so that many students can also gain access to this simplified form of learning and understand that maths is very, very simple. Thank you very much. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.